హాయ్ వ్యూయర్స్, మనం ఐటెక్స్లో ఉన్నాము. ఐటెక్స్ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. సార్, వాట్ ఈస్ ఐటెక్స్?
Okay. So, ma'am, as you want to know about ITEX is an Industrial Innovation Technology Expo, which is a brainchild of our Federation of Telangana Chambers of Commerce. So, Federation is one of the apex body here in Telangana, which is actually supporting the industry for its development in a bigger way. So, ITEX is organized on the with the idea to support the entire industrial ecosystem, wherein the MSMEs play a great role. The MSMEs are the backbone of the entire industry. They are the ones who grow from a very small individual unit to micro, then to small and then medium enterprises and then large industries. So we need to support them in a big way. And so Federation of Telangana Chambers of Commerce has idealized this particular program, this particular expo, wherein lot of MSMEs can come forward, meet with the large industries, get their expertise, and come forward and become bigger industry in the entire ecosystem. So, in the due process, we've identified that there are approximately 8 sectors, which or 8 type of industries, which are right now known as the sunrise industries. These sunrise industries should be given a thrust and a push. So that is why in the ITEX we've given a lot of importance to these sectors, which is innovative packaging, innovative printing, we have financial solutions, we have uh, automation industry, then we have machinery, machine tools, then we have cold storage solutions, we have packaging, innovative packaging and printing, as I've told you, EVs and solar solutions. So these are 7, 8 important sectors which are actually doing very good in Telangana and will be the platform through which the entire ecosystem can uplift and can become a better industry. That is all.
What is FTC, sir?
So, as I told you, like Federation is organizing this event. Federation of Telangana Chambers of Commerce is a 107 years old organization here in Telangana, which is supporting the industry in a bigger way with their three-pronged approach. We have a lot of activities at our federation. This is an industry body, so we have the first thing which we do is policy advocacy. So wherein like we support the industry with their views. If they have any problem with any of the policy, we reach out to the government and bring about a solution wherein nobody is compromised and a proper solution comes up for the entire industry. So one such important thing is policy advocacy and putting up a representation from the industry. So that the FTCCI can act as a voice of the industry. The second most important thing is to identify the skill gaps, to identify what are the important new skills which is developing, what are the skills which is already dead and we can reskill the entire industry. And so we have identified, after identifying them, we do those skill development programs, which are usually being done at a skill development center. We have 2 classrooms of 40 students which we can accommodate there, and we even do residential programs and have a tie-up with the hotels, so that in case if some of your executives would like to come and stay and take the classes or take the sessions for 2 3 days, they can do so also. Apart from that, the third and the most important thing is organizing a lot of seminars, webinars, programs, workshops, technical sessions, symposiums, expo like this, wherein like we create a conducive environment for growth and development. Here, what in these sessions and all, we teach them, we let them know what is next, what is a futuristic approach, what are the new things which is coming up in the industry, and to develop themselves. So these are some of the things which I would like to tell about Federation, which we do. Apart from that, we have well-established infrastructure in the center of Hyderabad, that is at Red Hills, and then lane itself is known as Federation Marks. By this, which you can make it out like how this particular institution have a legacy. We have 3 to 4 auditoriums which can be used by the entire industry to conduct their meetings, whether it be internal or external meetings. They can conduct in those particular property at a very nominal rate. Apart from that, we have certificate of origin. We issue certificate of origin services there, through which like we see it's written on most of the products is made in India. So once you take that certificate from us, you can put made in India and can export to any countries. So that makes us like one such organization which is supporting the industry in a bigger way. big way. We have 17 expert committees where we have chairs, co-chairs, advisors, experts who comes up and organize programs which supports the entire industry in some or the other way. So this is all about FTCCI.